Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 6. Yes, guys, so I'm back in the car. Today I am going on my vacation. I'm outside the bank because I email transferred money from one account to the other, and oh no, it can't reach in my email, and I need to change my money. I'm going to Florida, guys, so yeah. I'm just going there. I'm gonna go visit my grandparents, and you know, I haven't seen them since I got married. So I'm gonna visit them, and I haven't been to Florida since 2016. So me and my cousin are gonna link up with each other down there, and you know, we just have fun while seeing our grandparents. So yeah, right now I'm just outside of the bank, and I'm waiting for the money to come into my account so I can, you know, change to US. But it's taking a while, and I just did my COVID test, rapid test. It's negative. So it's 10:41. My flight is at 4:30, and right now it's 10:42, and I'm still running errands. I should be at home, you know, sorting out myself. There was nothing really for me to pack. I'm pretty much packed already. It's just for me to you know, eat, you know, feel comfortable before I go, because I have a fear of flying. I'm not gonna lie. I have a little plane fear. So yeah, I'm just chilling here. So I will see you guys, I guess, when I'm leaving. Hey guys, so I am heading to the airport now. Yeah, so I forgot to do a fit of the day. If I could insert a picture, I will right now. But yeah, so I'm on my way to the airport. Everything is all packed and everything. So I will see you guys at the airport. So I made it to the airport. I'm walking through. I'm going to my check-in counter. It's a good walk. Oh. So what a thing to blood clot right now. I'm trying to do my baggage and it's not even working. That's ridiculous. Alright guys, so I am on the aircraft now. We are boarding at the moment. A lot of stuff happened before our boarding. I will let you guys know exactly what happened when I reach my destination. So yeah, I'm just on. Alright guys, I feel nervous. It's annoying, guys. I'm here, guys. I am at my destination. I'm just waiting on my ride to pick me up, and then we'll be heading to our destination, which is about 2 more hours worth of the journey. So if the time gets too late by the time I reach home, this probably will be the end of the vlog. If obviously you see more time, that means that we're still continuing the vlog. So alright guys, so I am in the car. We're on our way to rent a vehicle, and then we're gonna be making our way to our destination. Like I said, I told you guys it's gonna be a long way. So yeah. So I'm gonna end this vlog right now, guys. We're getting food now. I want to make sure that this is up on time. So see you guys in the next clip. Stay tuned for Vlogmas day 7.